Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to charge an iPhone 8 Plus using a quick charge power bank. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to an iPhone 8 Plus, a power bank, and the lightning cable so we can bring the iPhone to the forefront. Place that on the table. Here is the power bank with the ability to quick charge. Turn that on by pressing the button, and we have a couple of lights available. 50%. Bring the lightning cable and then insert into the power bank and also into the iPhone itself. And now we are charging. We have 74%. Leave this for half an hour or so and we will have 100%. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.